Hi friends, welcome to our channel English Learning. In this video we learn meaning of abate in English and Hindi. If you found this video helpful, then kindly hit like button and share this video to all. Abate, meaning in English is become less intense, or reduce, or to decrease in force or intensity. Abate का हिंदी अर्थ होता है कम होना, रोकथाम करना, न्यून होना और रद्द या समाप्त करना. Taking pain medicine can cause headaches. To abate. दर्द की दवा लेने से सिर दर्द कम हो सकता है. We must abate the noise in our big cities. हमें अपने बड़े शहरों में शोर को कम करना चाहिए.
If you are watching this video on YouTube, then please subscribe to our channel, or if you are watching it on Facebook, kindly follow our page, and also don't forget to like and share this video.